Good day, children. Today we are going to learn addition. As all of you know, the word addition specifies combining or finding the total of the given numbers. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to add 4-digit number. At the end of the session, you will be able to add 4-digit numbers. So first, let me take you to a short video to explain how addition takes place. So there are two types to add any numbers. One is grouping the numbers. Second is with the regrouping. So let us learn more about it, how it goes. So here we go, the addition of the digits. Like first you consider the question as addition of 4-digit number, where we are going to first learn with regrouping the digits. First question states 2387 plus 1468. So here when we add, we write all the digits according to their place values. Starts from ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we have mentioned 2387 followed by plus sign 1468. So the first step we have achieved to write the numbers according to the place values. Second, we count the number of ones in the each. If you see, we have 7 ones and 8 ones. If we compile them total together, it comes to 15 ones. In 15 ones, when you distribute, you get that 110. That is 10 plus 5 is 15. So you say 110 plus 5 ones. So you have noted here 5 in the ones place and 1 is taken forward. That is, you have carried it further to tens 1. Next step, after adding the ones, we have that is addition of hundreds position. So 8 hundreds plus 6 tens, 8 tens plus 6 tens plus 5, 15 you get. The reason, since we had the 110 carried. So 15 tens again results to 105 tens. So we have written 5 in the tens place and 1 is carried forward. Followed up to next, we have to add the hundreds digits. That is 3 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 1 which is carried over results to 8 hundreds. So we have written 8 in the hundreds position. Finally, you note that is 237 plus 1468. You're adding the thousands positions. As we don't have any carried forward digit, so it retains as 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3855. Let us elaborate this addition of 4-digit number with a video.
You already know how to add two 3-digit numbers. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add with 4-digit numbers. When we add two 4-digit numbers, we work the problem exactly the same as when we add two 3-digit numbers. For example, 2,508 plus 4,695. Remember, when adding, we always start with the ones place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we put the 3 in the ones column and make a 10. Then the tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is equal to 10. So we put the 0 in the tens column and make a 10. Now the hundreds place. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 12. So we put a 2 in the hundreds column and make a 10. And now the thousands place. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 2,508 plus 4,695 is equal to 7,203. Now let's look at adding a 4-digit number to a number with less than 4 digits. For example, 5,320 plus 298. When you add two numbers that don't have the same number of digits, it's important to start with the ones place when you line up the digits according to place value, like this. Now, the ones place is lined up with the ones place, the tens place with the tens place, and so on. Now solve the problem. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So we put a 1 in the tens column and make a 10. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have only one number in the thousands place. When you solve addition problems and you have a column where there is only one number, you can treat the empty space as a 0. We know that adding 0 doesn't change a number, so we can just bring down the 5. So 5,320 plus 298 is equal to 5,618. In the remainder of this lesson, you'll solve addition problems when at least one of the numbers you add has 4 digits. Remember to line up the place values carefully when you write the problem on paper.
Yes. So in this way, we have learned how to add the numbers. Always note that you are writing the numbers exactly one below the other according to their place value. So let us solve some examples to add 4-digit numbers. So here we have a very short kickstart activity that addition means putting up 2 or more numbers together, where plus is the symbol which is used to denote addition. So you consider the first number, say 7 and 5. These are called as the addend. So we add them and we get the answer that is called as the sum. So numbers which are added are called addends, and the answer obtained after adding the numbers are called sum. So let us first revise the content learned in grade 2 about how to add 3-digit numbers. Let us add 3-digit number, that is, we have two addends, 621 plus 253. So as you can see, I have written the digits exactly below the each place values. So I will continue adding like that says 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 5 tens is 7 tens. 6 plus 2 hundreds is 8 hundreds. So the answer I got the addition as 874. Let us try to add the numbers where we have two addends, that is 274 and 176. So 4 plus 6 ones results to 10 ones. So you will note 0 in the ones place and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15 tens. So I have written 5 in the tens place. 1 is carried to the hundreds position. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have got the addition answer, that is the sum is 450. So in this way we have learned and revised how to add 3-digit number. How about adding a 4-digit number where you have thousands places involved? The steps are followed the same. Keep in mind that you retain the place value chart and note the addition. Let us go ahead with addition of 4-digit numbers. Here, let us learn how to solve addition with and without grouping. Here in front of you, an example is given that states add 4,362 and 2,514. So first step is you will arrange all the numbers in the place value chart. Second, without regrouping, you will be adding 2 plus 4, that is adding the ones place, 6. Another tens place, that is step 3, 7. Hundreds place is added, that is step 4, which you get 8. Then step 5, adding thousands, we get as 6. So this is without regrouping. With regrouping is adding the columns as per their place value. So first we add 5 ones plus 5 ones results to 10 ones. So 0 is placed down and 1 is carried forward to tens. Then add the tens again in the regrouping format. 7 tens plus 2 tens is 9 tens plus 1, you get 10 tens. So you have again 0 is placed below the tens and carried 1 to hundreds. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 hundreds gives 500. 6 plus 3 hundreds gives 900. Let us solve addition of 4-digit number in this way. Here we have addition of two addends, say 2,634 plus 1,253. So the step is followed the same. Either you can go ahead with regrouping or without regrouping. So let us first add ones place. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So here you noted the answer which you got where the carry forward concern is not taken. Let us go ahead with the next example where we have 5,348 to be added with 1,983. So you would add first the ones position, that is 8 plus 3 results to 11. So you would write 11 ones. 1 is written in the ones place and 1 is carried forward to the next. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13 tens. So 3 in the tens place, 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13 hundreds. So 3 in the hundreds position and 1 is carried. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you have got the answer as 7,331 as the sum. So in this way we have learned how to add 4-digit numbers. Let us find missing number in the addition form. So here we have to find missing number using the same addition properties. Here as you can see the numbers are written as blank 4 in the hundreds position, blank in the thousands, for tens and 2 in the ones. Below blank space 0, blank and 1. So let us see what should be the answer here to get as in such a way that I get the remainder as the sum. But there should be a sum given in the denominator. So let us see what is the sum provided. So here we have the sum given as 8. So 2 plus what results to 8. So it's clear that 2, if you go on counting from 2 to 8, you say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 6. So we say 6 ones and 2 ones results to 8. Similarly, what if we add with 0 results to 6? Yes, it will the number itself, that is 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus what would result to 7? So count up, that is 5, 6, 7. So we have 3 as the missing number in the hundreds position. That results to 7. Now what would be in the form where if I add with 1 to 7? So count up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and 7. So we have 6 digits to be put up. So that 6 plus 1 will result to 7. Let us try for another question that states 1 plus what will result to 4. So count up again where you get 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 as the digit in the ones place which was missing. Here we have 3, go counting upwards. So we have 4 and then 5. So 2. So 2 in the tens place. 0 plus what would result to 6. So count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 in the hundredth position. We have the next, that is 3 plus 5 will result to 8. So in this way we have found the missing number using the addition of numbers. Now let us try story sums based on 4-digit number. Here is the story sums, that is there were 143 banyan trees and 247 ashoka trees in the park. How many trees were there in all? So when we read out this question, first make out what are the given details. We have the first, that is 2 trees. We have the number of 2 trees are mentioned. One is 143 banyan trees and 247 ashoka trees. Now what is expected to find? Yes, it is we have to find in, that is in all, that specifies we have to find total. So very simple, when we say the word in all, when it comes up, you're clear with this, that the intention is to add. So you will now add the numbers 143 plus 247. So adding this, we get 3 plus 7 as 10. So 1 is carried. So we have 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So finally we got the total number of trees in the park are 390. Let us go ahead with 4-digit sum. Here the question goes, that is what is the sum of 6,251 and 2,479. So I am going to write the numerals exactly one below the other in the place value form. 2, 4, 7, 9, and then add them. So you have 1 plus 9 is 10 ones, so 0 and 1 is carried. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 7, 13, so 3 and 1 is carried. We have 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. So that means we have got the sum as 8,730. So this states we have learned today how to find the sum of 4-digit number, and we have revised about how to add 3-digit number, followed by story sums based on addition. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you. Good day.